Today we are looking at an apartment with 3 bedrooms, bathroom in excellent condition, just 150 meters from the Acequion beach in Torrevieja for 91,900 euros. Surface of the flat 64 square meters. It was built in 1994. Hello, my name is Alex. I'm from Granfield Estate, and today I invite you to give us a quick and clear overview of an interesting property with good potential for permanent residence or for rent. Acequion is an excellent and quiet area of the city with good infrastructure, supermarket, bars, restaurants, bus stop. Only 150 meters from the beach. City center, port, fun fair and walking area in just 10 minutes. Let me remind you the price of the apartment is 91,900, which it's a very attractive for an apartment in such good condition and proximity to the sea. The apartment is ideal for the quiet and comfortable life for family with 2 children. Let's go to see. Please come in. On the right side of the entrance we have the first bedroom with a window, wardrobe, the bed and really modern air conditioning system. Next our point. This is a bathroom, enough big for everything. Next our stop, it's a kitchen. Not so big, but that's enough for cooking and it has all appliances necessary. And this is the living room, not so big, but really cozy, recently painted, and we prepared everything for good living or staying or renting. Just look on this really nice decoration. Next our stop is a second bedroom with the window as well and the same modern air conditioning system. Next our point at the third bedroom. It's not so big, but enough for 1 people. And the balcony. Well, we can say it's small balcony, but that's enough for 2 people to drink cup of coffee in the morning or glass of wine in the evening time. Dear friends, if you like these apartments, contact us and we will send you more detailed information. If don't, doesn't matter, we will be able to offer you other, better options. Don't forget to subscribe in our channel to always be aware in the latest trends of the world of the Spanish real estate. Alexei and Granfield Estate was with you. Thank you very much and see you later.